Dallas County DA John Creusot urging the city to begin reporting overdose data to a national database. The idea is that the real-time reports could help provide enough warning of bad drugs on the streets to save lives. Fox 4's Lori Brown joining us now with details. Lori.
Heather, the database would be funded through a federal grant. The idea is that if first responders and hospitals report overdoses to the database, schools could give then warnings to parents about the sudden increases in bad drugs on the streets, and first responders could be better prepared. Dallas County District Attorney John Creusot wants the city of Dallas to start participating in a new mapping program that could provide real-time data about dangerous narcotics. He says the problem of people dying from overdoses is big.
We've also seen people die, young men, because they were partying and they wanted to take Adderall, and what they actually took was fentanyl. It is my opinion that people and entities outside the United States, when they do that, they're intending to kill Americans.
Creusot is on the board of a drug trafficking program that covers North Texas and Oklahoma, one of 33 designated areas in the country. The local office receives federal grant funds to try to reduce drug trafficking and its consequences.
The illicit drugs that we're seeing on the street, they're not made by legitimate doctors with all the protocols. You can have fake pills. We have bulletin boards about fake pills, and they're not regulating how much fentanyl goes in those pills. Well, if they mix a bad batch, and these are causing people to pass out, the public needs to know that.
The director is urging Dallas County to start using a mapping tool that could alert schools and first responders when there is a batch of lethal drugs on the streets.
If there were a significant amount of overdoses amongst high school age kids, then an electronic email can go out to that area school district, say, hey, communicate to your kids that there are some bad drugs out there and be aware. It can go to the first responders, the EMS and fire and rescue, saying, hey, again, these overdoses are taking multiple uses of Narcan. It may go out to law enforcement and say, hey, there's a significant amount of drugs that's dropped in the area. What can you do about it?
Dallas City Councilwoman Paula Blackman said it's an issue her son is all too familiar with.
And I have my 25-year-old who texts me weekly to ask me what I'm going to do about this, because he's had 10 friends that have died.
Dallas City Council members said that they need to hear from Health and Human Services before they make a decision about utilizing the mapping tool. Plano is already taking part, as is Harris County. Heather.
All right, Lori, thank you.